Greetings everyone, this is your Vaishnavi. Snow, thunder snow, with lightning. A rare snowstorm hit Ontario March 3rd. I had a dance competition that was the only reason I came out. The travel advisory asked people to stay home and avoid unnecessary travels. Strong winds of 60 to 80 kilometers per hour create blowing snow. Very bad driving conditions resulted in poor visibility. Look at the road. Snow starts piling up, hard to drive. In 16 hours, 35 centimeters of snow a month, snow in one night. The region was hit by more than 12 hours of snowfall that started on Friday evening, leading to power outages and an uncommon phenomenon known as thundersnow. Saturday morning, we awoke up to this. Lots of snow. The winter storm has resulted in hundreds of flight cancellations to and from Toronto Pearson International Airport. Thunder snow occurs when an air mass turns violent due to instability and is rare but most common in the Great Lakes region. Environment Canada is urging residents to stay off the roads due to the challenges of visitability and snow accumulation. We need to throw snow over snow hills, which is a very challenging to clean up. Our lane is not clean yet, but we're trying very hard to drive to my music yearly program. I am studying Carnatic music at Kaisaki Performance Art Center with Mr. Arun Gobinath. I will post my music yearly program videos in a separate video. Road signal lights covered with snow are hard to see. This is a sidewalk snow cleaning machine. The thunder and heavy winds caused a lot of power cuts. Many trees fall on the house and create damage. More than 1,000 families stayed without electricity on that night. Staying home without power in this cold weather is very difficult. They can't go to someone's house due to bad weather. Driving is also challenging. I can see many vehicles stuck in the snow and people leaving them. I even see buses stuck in the snow. Drivers need to prepare if they get stuck in their vehicles in a snowstorm. Need to keep extra warm clothes, food, phone battery, charger, etc. If their home is far, they can't walk in the storm and it is hard to get help. Stay warm. It is very hard in the stormy situations. Look at this bus. It is stuck in the snow. Looking snow-covered trees are very beautiful. I love snow, but not the storm. On Sunday, we had very good temperatures. Lot of people out and playing in the snow. The CN Tower got hit by thunder. CN Tower building structures can handle thunderstorms, but it also got power cut and worked by electricity. I hope you love my video. Keep watching. If you want more exciting videos, follow for more.